Hey guys, welcome back to my vlog. If you're really keen about your health and if you're thinking to have a partner or a track recorder for your workout, so this is the perfect solution for you. So let me introduce you to my first smartwatch. Yes, it is known as Samsung Galaxy Active 2. It comes in two different sizes, 40mm and 44mm, LTE stainless steel color black, silver, gold. For aluminium, you get cloud silver, aqua black and pink gold. So let's get started. Let's get rid of the plastic. Samsung Galaxy Active 2 watch. It has advanced sensor track up to 39 distinct activities to keep pace on your jog and help you better achieve your goals. It tracks up to 7 popular activities such as swimming, walking, running, dynamic workouts, etc. So let's talk about Bixby. Bixby. What is Bixby? It works same as Siri. You can say a brother from another mother. Active 2 watch listens to your command with Bixby's voice. You can ask to read your text message or make a call or play your favorite song. This booklet is a quick start guide to show how to restart and set up your watch with terms and conditions. Keep a proper track record of your heart rate. It will automatically gives you alerted message if it detects a high or a low heart rate. This is a charging cord cable with USB plug. All you need is a regular USB to plug in. You can charge the watch directly from the back of your phone and you can use your palm to turn off the watch. Let's first charge the Samsung Galaxy watch. As you can see, I'm struggling to start the watch. To connect your Samsung Galaxy Active watch, you have to download Galaxy Wearable app. As soon as the app is installed, click Open it up where you will find an option Galaxy Watch. Once you click Galaxy Watch, it will start pairing it up with your Samsung watch. While finishing the paired up with the watch, it will give notifications. There are speakers on one side of the watch. The above button of the opposite side is the button to toggle between the menu and the home button. And the below button is the menu key, or you can say a home key. And there is a sensor button on the bottom of the watch. It is light in weight and has comfortable synthetic rubber strap, and the strap leans to desirable. It has an excellent quality, scratch resistance and anti-reflection. Plus it has a Gorilla Glass DX Plus certification. Display is 1.4-inch AMOLED panel resolution of 360 by 360. Watch IP68 dust and water resistance and drop test it to middle STD 810G. The watch is sleek and stylish, comfortable to wear, and it is perfect for any type of sports such as running, hiking, swim, or any other adventure sports as well. While scrolling through the menu, the touch bezel gives you a subtle haptic feedback every time, which is really a nice touch. Apart from using a dial, you can swipe up or scroll through the display to navigate through the watch. In terms of watch faces selection, there are a lot of options to choose through the Galaxy Samsung Active 2. The thin hassle is around the edge of the screen and is actually touch sensitive and mimic. Navigating screen is easy and the touch screen is fluid. Samsung Galaxy Active 2 have some features like watch faces, some different types of apps, sound and notification, display, and many more. There are some advanced features in Samsung Galaxy Active 2 such as underwater mode, headphone mode, Bluetooth, 5.0 Wi-Fi, GPS, built-in speaker, wireless charger. It has got a dual-core processor locked in at 1.15 GHz and you have got 4 gigs of internal storage. 247 million battery that gives a full day charge. There are some good features in Samsung Galaxy Active 2 such as notifications, Samsung Health app, music control, you can change the volume, song as per your requirement, world clock, calendar, weather, alarm app, and apart from that you have some basic as well like contacts, calls, you can create your own emojis, etc. So with this guys, I would like to end my vlog. Please do follow my Instagram page to get daily updates. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel with your friends and family. See you in my next vlog. Bye for now.